all of us is to listen to music so that we can be free, heal, and escape the problem. Good morning, Ms. Moderno, and to my fellow students, Zamora. I come here not just share my story, but the multitude of stories that we have yet to hear, especially who's struggling with mental health. I believe that the best we can do and we can share is the music, because music is everything. You can feel enjoyment, motivation, and inspiration, and hopes. With this music in our heart, with this value within us, we will be a good person, a better person, and the best version of ourselves. In order to achieve that, we need to be responsible and disciplined. Okay, let's talk about my story. In my true story, I'm having a routine. My assignments are filling up, my social media overwhelming, and everything just seems to be too much. Then I put on my headphones and hit play on my favorite song. Almost instantly, I feel my attention easing, my mood lifting, and my voice filling. Has this ever happened to you? Today, let's talk about how music not only entertains, but also has the power to heal our minds, bodies, and spirits. Let's talk about how music heals the mind. Okay, based on research, music stimulates the release of dopamine, the feel-good chemical in our brain. Think about the song you turn to when you're feeling down. Does listening to an upbeat music or a calming instrumental track help? Whether it's pop, classical, or even lovey beats. Music has the ability to reduce our stress, more at peace. What I said earlier, music is everything. It gives us hope, perseverance, strength, and power. Thank you for listening, Zamora.